This is how to replace your wristband on a GShock. As you can see, all you really need is a small flathead screwdriver and the replacement band that comes from Casio. First thing you're going to do is you're going to flip over your existing watch and you'll notice these pins that hold the strap in. And you need to work your screwdriver into there, the flathead, and just release the pressure on the spring, and the wristband will release. Make sure not to launch out that pin though, and put those aside because they can be small. But once you get the band off, you'll notice that there'll probably be a little bit of dirt buildup from these watches bands. So just take a Clorox wipe and clean out any of the crud from it, and then come back with a paper towel and dry it thoroughly. Now comes the little bit trickier part here. It's getting the new bands put in. It's very important that you make sure that these pins catch the little small holes. So what I do is I make sure one side is inserted into the hole, and then I slowly work the other pin down by pushing it, releasing the pressure, pushing it inward, and then sliding it down until it catches the other hole. To make sure that it's in there, just work the band back and forth, and you'll hear the pin sliding around and pin popping out. As you can see here, it's happened a couple of times. So just be patient with it and slowly work it, like I said, into its proper position. And once you have it, it should not come out anymore. As you can see, that one keeps slipping. The other important piece is to make sure that the buckle side of the band is at the top of your watch, and the long straight band goes on the bottom. That's the proper hookup there. And as you can see, after a little bit of working back and forth, the watch is put back together. The bands won't slide out, and you can see they're tightly it's secured in there. And you can go ahead and put it back on and get back to what you're doing. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and I hope that you subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Dad at Home, a Busy Bee channel.